Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add payment method on your Shippo account. To add payment method on Shippo is a straightforward process. The first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser and type in shippo.com. This will now take you to the official website for Shippo. Go ahead and log into your account like you normally do. And once you're inside the main home page of Shippo, go ahead and click on the account button at the top right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on billing. Under billing, click on add credit/debit card. Choose whether you'd like to add a debit card or a credit card and then type in your card number, the card's expiry date, CVV code, and then your billing address in the text boxes. After filling in all of the details, click on Add Card. And soon after you do that, you will be able to add a payment method on Shippo. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.